Hello and welcome to Mobile Video Storytelling for Beginners. This is an online course that teaches you how to become a quality storyteller in video using just your smartphone. We get asked a lot of questions about this course from people who are thinking of doing it. So here's some of our frequently asked questions. 1. Do I need any experience of making videos before I do this course? No, you can be an absolute beginner. However, if you've got some experience already, that's great and welcome to it, but you don't actually have to have any experience at all. What you do need is good mindset. You need to come here and say, I want to learn. Next question. What kind of phone do I need? We teach you with both an Android and an iPhone. Ideally, a fairly modern one. We don't want one of the really old ones because you won't really be able to make great videos on them. So the newer the model, the better. But it doesn't have to be the exact up-to-date model for either iPhones or Android. A mid-range one is perfectly good. You do need storage on it though, because you're going to be doing a lot of video processing. Next question. Will I have a video made at the end of the course? Answer, yes you will. If you follow our step-by-step guide, you will learn how to make 2 types of videos. Video 1 will be the video interview, a good, well-framed, steady, well-shot, good-sounded interview. And the second one is the story, the beginning, the middle, and the end. The assembled story told all using your phone. Edited on your phone with text, logos, transitions, even music if you want. Common question is, do I need extra equipment before I can do this course? No is the answer. Just bring your smartphone. However, I do recommend 2 important pieces of equipment. 1, a microphone. 2, a tripod. These will ensure that the sound is good and that your camera is steady for filming, because that really ups your game, particularly sound. As you know, the microphone on the camera, on your phone, is very far away from the person you're interviewing. So we give you all that information in the course as well. Can you design your course for my group? We have some very bespoke needs. Absolutely. We have the essential course there already, but we can adapt it, we can make it longer or shorter according to your needs. You can do the course on your own, or we can bring in a tutor to help you, guide you through the course. If you want to find out more, send us an email and we'll be back in touch.